Hi, welcome to Tackle. Today, we will show you how to install the Tackle Chrome extension to your browser in just under a minute. Let's get started. First, log in to your Tackle account. Under the Manage section, click on Show More and you will find the Chrome extension option. By clicking on the Chrome extension option, you will be redirected to our Chrome extension page. After that, click Add to Chrome, followed by Add Extension. And for easy access, you can go ahead and pin it. You'll now be able to see the Tackle extension icon showing in the top right bar. Now, go to your Google Calendar and you will see the Tackle bar in the right side of the Calendar tab. Log in with your Tackle account. Give the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. And that's it. Now you can see and access all the calendar data in one place.